I spread my sunshine, I try to spread it.
Skedaddle!
Hey, Tyson, I need to have a word with you, Tyson. Young man, did you save the show last night? Tyson?
Kind of, yeah.
What did you do for your sister?
When her voice kept going out because she lost her voice, I would sing her parts even though some parts I didn't know the words. I was sad for her, but I was happy I could help her. That's the thing I like to feel, the happiness and joy.
Way to spread sunshine, Tyson.
Thanks. I love you, Mariah.
I'd been sick all week, and right before the performance, my voice went away, and I could barely sing high notes, and so I was trying to sing.
Your voice is still a little hoarse, huh?
Yeah, it's still a little hoarse today too, and there's somebody that sang at Disney, and she gave me everything that she used when her voice goes hoarse and when she sings.
So we were all worried. We even started the show a few minutes late because we were like, oh shoot, what are we gonna do? Mariah's the lead singer. And we were opening the show and we were trying to get throat sprays in you. We're saying, stick your tongue out, spray your throat.
And Mom even gave me apple cider vinegar.
Yeah, how was that?
Terrible.
Yeah, because we're trying to break through the phlegm that was in your throat so we can sing and get your voice out. So we were hoping that your voice would come out, but something even better happened. What happened?
And then right when I went on, I started singing and my voice, it wouldn't come out. My voice wasn't working, so then Tyson sang for me.
Isn't that beautiful? So you guys will see the video.
It made me feel like Tyson was paying attention to what I needed. And I needed him to come in right then, and he came in.
And now, without further ado, we introduce the Sunshine Mafia Band.
Do any of you guys know Michael Jackson? We're gonna sing a song about Michael Jackson. Get it, Jack?
Now had
can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Who knows where they will lead us?
This is me. This is who we are. No matter what shade, no matter what nationality, no matter what religion, this is me. So as the band closes out today, we're going to help them the best we can. And little girl, can we give it up for her? Her voice went today. And I loved how her brother and them jumped in and helped her. I heard it. It was no pause. You was right there. This is the Sunshine Mafia Band. Come on, y'all. They come a long way. Over 3 hours they came to be a part of this show. So can we just one more time?
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, we don't love you as you are.
Another round of bullets hit my skin. Oh, far away, was the day. I won't let that shit sink in.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, gonna send a flag, gonna drown out. I get brave, I get bruised, I get who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Sunshine Mafia Band!
Y'all watch for us because we coming back. Good night, y'all.
Good job, man. Excellent job. She's live.
Oh, thank you.
She's all live.
Good job, y'all. Good job. Good job.
You been watching our channel? Well, we are glad you're here.
Thank you.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. You are too.
Big time cleaning day. JJ, you cleaning today?
Uh-huh.
We got lots to do? What we gonna do?
What Jordan's doing.
Okay, let's see you do it. Let's see you do it, JJ. Come on, buddy. Let's see you. Good job, dude. Look at that plant. That's crazy. See how wild that plant is? Have to do something with that colossal beast. Look at that. What you got? Weeds? Yeah, keep picking them. Looks like Tyson's ready to go.
Yep.
What do you got going on, Tyson?
It helps me with the pollen because I'm allergic to the pollen.
That's a
and
pretty serious,
makes me sneeze a lot and stuff. And makes
pretty
my
serious
eyes
what you
swell.
got going on here, bro. What are you gonna do with all that?
Skedaddle.
You're gonna skedaddle? What's that?
Skedaddle. Skedaddle.
Get a little help from JoJo and Tyson, climbing up in trees and whatnot. That Gotta swing from trees, man. What do they call that? American Ninja or something? Wow.
Please don't let the branch break.
Okay. Get over to the tree, buddy. Get over to the tree. Please, as quickly as possible. These guys are danger cats, man. You guys are wiggity whack-a-mole. Crazy. Getting close.
Alright, Tyson can kick it.
There you go. Nice job. You guys have like superhero names? Because it looks like Tyson's like some kind of a vigilante superhero. What's your superhero name, Tyson?
Skedaddle, man.
Skedaddle man? What about you, JJ?
Hello.
He's a Skittle boy.
The Skittle boy?
Hello.
If you've never seen a superhero before, well, you've seen one now. Skedaddle man, Skedoodle man, the climbing boy, and the case of the curious pine. Getting the work done right now so I can take my wife on a Valentine's Day date
Dad.
2 weeks later. You know what? That's a patient woman is what it is. I spread my sunshine, I try to spread it, and I just hope that a ray, just if one ray can get through to my beautiful wife and spread that sunshine.
What are you doing?
Jolly something on here for Mariah.
A nice letter?
Bread sunshine. Bread sunshine.
Have we washed everything in the house to get rid of illness?
Yes.
And are you sitting here unfolding for hours?
Spread sunshine.
Are you doing your schoolwork, Luke and Jackson? Working hard.
Yeah, that makes sense. She wants to talk to you for a second.
This is Jackson's mom.
Trépate la felicidad estoy.
Yay! Thank you!
Gracias.
Muchas gracias!
Of course, yeah, gracias a ustedes.
Bread sunshine.
Bread sunshine.
Bread sunshine.